Hey guys, so today we'll be looking at this. This is the TP-Link Smart Wi-Fi Power Strip. But with the Smart Strip, this allows you to separately control 3 devices with 3 plug sockets, as well as 2 USB slots which operate under one. So this one here I purchased from Argos. It's around £35. I have seen cheaper ones for around £24, but the reviews were a bit mixed. Some catching a light. Obviously a lot of these come from China, and if it's not tested correctly, you're putting yourself at risk, guys, and I wouldn't do that with electrical power supplies, especially if you're going to have a few things plugged in that could be valuable. So I wouldn't take that risk. So let's just look around the box first. So as you can see, it's TP-Link Kasa Smart, and that's the app that they use. It's a free outlets. As you can see, it works with Google and Alexis. So it has, each plug has an individual control, so you can remotely say hey to each one of these, and then it has 2 USB ports, and it's got surge protection, which is also really good. Again, 3 smart outlets, surge protection, control from anywhere, set schedules, which is also good. I bought this one for my goldfish tank, so I don't use too much electricity. I'll be setting schedules for it to run the lights, the bubbles, the filter, and it turns off. It has 2 USB ports. The good thing about, again, TP-Link and some other brands is that these don't require any hubs, so no additional cost, and it has voice control. So then looking towards this side here, so it says your home one app, so you can turn all the devices on using that one app, and you can download the devices through Google or App Store, and then it just shows how someone's using it. So other than that, you don't get much else along it, so let's just open it up. And that's the box. There you get the installation guide. Warranty slip. A safety information. And you get the extension plug. I do like the fact that they package this really well. I mean, it is £35 for a plug socket, extension plug, sorry. But given the smart functionality, I think it's worth it. And again, you're going to be using potentially 4 plug sockets in your house just to make each plug work. So this just requires 1, and you get it all built in. And it is a nice build, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but the design they've done, it kind of goes inwards slightly, and they've given a decent gap between each plug socket so you can fit some big plugs in. You got your surge protection light, and you got your system light that just basically comes on when it's powered. And then at the back you get your make and model. So my model is the KP303, inputs 220 to 250 volts from 50 to 60 hertz, outputs 13 amps, maximum load, USB 5 volt is equivalent to 2.4 amps each, and total construction of switch micro gap. So it's got a built-in fuse, and again it's surge protected, and you can't get that type of guarantee with the ones from Amazon or eBay if they're from international, especially from China, because of the fact that you won't know if they're actually being tested. A lot of them are fake. So yeah, that's about it. What I'll do is I'll set it up and I'll show you it working. Okay guys, so once I plug it in, you'll see the lights flashing, so the surge protection is on. The system is flashing red and green, which means not connected yet, and you've got individual lights to say that each one. So if you click the button, you can turn it off, so you can physically turn this supply off and on using the buttons built in, which is an extra feature. So once that's done, so guys, all you need to do now is download the app onto your iOS or Android device. So once that's downloaded, guys, you just open the app up. I'll be back, guys, when it's finished.
A few moments later.
So guys, once you have connected, you'll see this part here. So this part says customize your plug. So what you need to do is tap on the outlets to give the connection device a name and icon. So you just tap on which one you want. So you just name it as you want, and then that will be pretty much it. You save it and you just say, you know, something Google, and that will allow it to work. And you can do the same with Alexa. So it's just up to you. So guys, what I've done now is I've installed my power strip. It's just down there, and as you can see, it's all plugged up. And now it's all set up with Google, and it will work with Alexa if you have Alexa. So let's test it out.
Please use your device name.
Hey Google, turn on the ocean.
Turning ocean on.
So as you can see, the lights just come on, and that's plugged into one of the plug sockets. And then if I say, hey Google, turn off the bubbles.
Got it. Turning the bubbles off.
As you can see, the bubbles go off. And then my third one is connected to the heater over there. And then I've adapted something onto the USB to make it smart, and that allows me to control the filter. So guys, that was a quick unboxing and a quick show of how to use the Google Power Strip from Kasa. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Peace out.